Hello, dear students. You're welcome to RK Institute. I am Dr. RK Sani, and today I am providing a mock test for IIT-JEE and NEET examination of the topic of coordination compound. Coordination compound is very important topic for IIT-JEE and NEET examination. It is the important topic of inorganic chemistry. I want you solve these questions yourself, and if you have any problem, then check video solution of these questions. Question first. Simple. These are the questions taken from coordination number, oxidation state, general terms of coordination compound, like as which one is homoleptic, which one is heteroleptic, charge on coordination pair, etc. इस तरह से. Question number first. C cobalt K3CO oxalate 3 coordination number. We know that coordination number is number of coordinate bond or sigma bond formed by the central atom in coordination pair. We know that oxalate ion is a bidentate ligand, bidentate chelating ligand. When it attaches with metal atom, then it forms a pentavalent pentaatomic ring. Pentaatomic ring. When two ligands are there, two ligands then make two rings, three ligands make three rings. ठीक है. Coordination number of cobalt, coordination number of central atom is 6 because denticity of oxalate ion is 2 and 3 oxalate ions are there. Therefore, coordination number 6. Oxidation state of central atom. Oxidation, when we find oxidation state, then added charges of all species. For example, potassium. 3 potassium, it carry +1 charge. We find oxidation state of cobalt, taken X, and there are 3 oxalate ion carry -2 charge and net charge is 0. Therefore, 3 plus X minus 6 equals to 0 and hence X minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, X equals to +3. Therefore, coordination oxidation state of cobalt in this complex is +3. +3. Homoleptic, heteroleptic. When one kind of ligand attach with central atom, then the complexes are known as homoleptic. Homoleptic. Charge on coordination pair. According to Werner theory, when these complexes are ionized, then it gives 3 potassium plus ion and 1 complex ion, and this complex ion carry -3 charge. So charge on coordination pair is -3. Charge on coordination pair is -3. Number of chelating ring. Bidentate ligand. Number of chelating ring equals to n-1. For n is the denticity of ligand. For example, oxalate is bidentate ligand. Therefore, one oxalate make one ring, and one ring contains 5 atoms. Therefore, 3 oxalate ion. Therefore, 3 chelating rings are there. Number of mono-anionic ligand 0 because it is mono-anionic, because it is oxalate is dianionic या bianionic ligand. It carry -2 charge. Therefore, number of mono-anionic ligand 0. Question next. Very important question. This compound is very important and is known as sodium nitroprusside, in which NO ligand is a positive ligand, and their nature of NO ligand confirmed by experiment, and we find spin magnetic moment of compound in solid state, by which predict their magnetic nature and then predict nature of NO ligand, in which NO is positive ligand. NO is a positive ligand. Coordination number is also 6, 5 cyanide and 1 NO. Therefore, coordination number 6. Charge on central atom 2 sodium plus Fe, जिसे आप बोलेंगे taken X plus 5 cyanide, 1 carry -1 and 1 NO and carry +1. Their nature confirmed by the experiment. Therefore, 2 plus X minus 5 plus 1 equals to 0. And hence X minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, X equals to +2. Therefore, the oxidation state of central atom is +2. in sodium nitroprusside. This compound is commonly known as sodium nitroprusside, and this compound used for the test of sulfide ion. It is homoleptic or heteroleptic. It is heteroleptic complex because more than one kind of ligand attached with central atom. Therefore, it is heteroleptic. Charge on coordination sphere. After removal of 2 sodium, the charge of coordination sphere is -2. According to Werner theory, primary valency or ionization and coordination sphere carry charges. When this complex ionize, then it gives 2 sodium ion and another is anion. This anion carry -2 charge. Therefore, charge on coordination sphere is -2. After removal of Na2 plus ion, this is the charge. Number of chelating ligand 0 because all ligands are monodentate. When bidentate or polydentate ligand attach with central atom, then they make a chelating ligand. Number of mono-anionic ligand 5. नंबर ऑफ मोनो एनायनिक लिगेंड क्या लिखेंगे आप 5. कौन से? साइनाइड आयन आर मोनो एनायनिक लिगेंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट. Coordination number also 6 because 6 coordinate bond formed by the chromium with water. 6. Oxidation state of central atom X 0 plus 6. It is not 6 but it is 3. It is a 3. Therefore, X plus 6, water is neutral ligand, plus 3 minus 1 equals to 0. And hence, oxidation state of chromium is plus 3. This is 3, not a 6. Oxidation state 3. Homoleptic complex because one kind of ligand, particularly water, attached with chromium. Therefore, it is homoleptic. Charge on coordination sphere is plus 3. After separating of the cation and anion, 3 chloride ion. Therefore, coordination sphere carry plus 3 charge. Number of chelating ring 0 because all are monodentate. Number of mono-anionic ligand 0. Mono-anionic ligand 0 because in this complex water is a ligand. Water is are ligand and they are neutral ligand. Question next. Next. 4. Coordination number is also 6 because 6 coordinate bond formed by the platinum with 6 chloride ligand. Oxidation state of central atom ammonium ion, 2 ammonium ion and ammonium ion carry plus 1 charge. Platinum, oxidation state of platinum taken X plus 6 chloride ion taken -1 equals to 0. Therefore, X equals to plus 4. The oxidation state of platinum is plus 4. It is also homoleptic complex because all ligands, particularly chloride ion, attach with central atom. Therefore, it is also homoleptic. Charge on coordination sphere after removal of 2 ammonium ion, the charge of coordination sphere is -2. Chelating ring is 0 because all ligands are monodentate. Number of anionic ligands 6 and these 6 ligands are chloride ion. Mono-anionic ligand means mono-anionic chloride ion. In next question, coordination number also 6. Charge on iron plus 3 because potassium plus 1 and cyanide -1. Therefore, plus 3. It is also homoleptic complex because all ligands are cyanide and one kind of ligand attached with central atom, then it is known as homoleptic. Charge on coordination sphere after removal of 3 plus potassium, the charge of coordination sphere is -3. Therefore, charge on coordination sphere is -3. Next, number of chelating ring 0 because all ligands are monodentate. Number of mono-anionic ligands 6 and these are cyanide ion. Next, carbonyl. Coordination number of the complex of chromium is also 6. Oxidation state of chromium is 0 because carbon monoxide is a neutral ligand. Taken X, chromium plus 6 carbon monoxide, and carbon monoxide is a neutral ligand. Therefore, oxidation state of chromium is 0 in this complex. It is also homoleptic because all ligands are one kind, mainly carbon monoxide, carbonyl. Charge on coordination pair is 0 because neutral ligand. Number of chelating ligand 0 because all are monodentate ligand, and the mono-anionic ligand is 0 because CO is neutral ligand. In question next 7. In question next, particularly 7. LiAlH4. Coordination number 4. Coordination number 4. Charge on oxidation state of metal is +3 because lithium +1. Lithium carry +1 charge, aluminium taken X, and 4 hydride ion carry -1, in which ligand is hydride ion, Therefore, oxidation state of aluminium +3. The complex is also homoleptic because all kind of ligand are similar hydride. Next, charge on नेक्स्ट था आपके पास में homoleptic heteroleptic charge on coordination pair. Charge on coordination pair is after removal of lithium it carry -1. LiH4 charge -1. Therefore, coordination pair carry -1 charge. Number of chelating ligand 0 because all are monodentate. Number of mono-anionic ligand are 4, namely hydride ion. Question next. Question 8. Coordination number is 4 because glycinate is a bidentate ligand in which donor atom are oxygen and nitrogen. Therefore, 2 glycinate ion means 4 coordinate bond, and as coordination number of platinum is 4. Oxidation state of platinum, glycinate carry -1. Therefore, X plus 2 minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, oxidation state of platinum is +2 because glycinate ion carry -1 charge. Therefore, oxidation state of platinum is +2 because 2 glycinate ion. It is also homoleptic because all ligands are same type, one kind glycinate. Charge on coordination pair is 0 because platinum +2, glycinate is -2 net. Therefore, charge on coordination pair is 0. It is chelating ring. One glycinate is a bidentate ligand and make one ring. Therefore, total 2 chelating rings are there because 2 glycinate. Number of chelating ring equals to n-1, where n is denticity of ligand. It means one glycinate ion make one ring. When 2 glycinate ion make 2 rings. It is square planar 2. Mono-anionic ligand are 2 and both are glycinate. Mono-anionic ligand. Number of mono-anionic ligand 2. These are the glycinate. Question next. Question next is very, very important. It is brown ring complex in which NO is also a cationic ligand. Their nature confirmed by experiment by measuring the spin magnetic moment of the compound in solid state, by which we find nature of NO is +1, in which oxidation state of iron is +1. The oxidation state of iron taken X. 5 water molecule, there 0 neutral. NO carry +1, sulfate carry -2, and net charge is 0. Therefore, X +1 -2 -1 equals to 0. Therefore, oxidation state of metal or iron is +1. coordination number of iron is 6, 5 water and 1 NO. Their coordination number is 6 and oxidation state of central atom is +1. It is very important because most common oxidation state of iron are +2 and +3, ferrous-ferric. However, in brown ring complex, the oxidation state of iron is +1, in which NO is positive ligand, confirmed by experiment. It is heteroleptic because different type of ligands, namely water and nitrosonium, attached with iron. Heteroleptic. Number charge on cationic after removal of sulfate ion, the complex species carry +2 charge. Complex species coordination pair carry +2 charge. Number of chelating ring 0 because all ligands are monodentate. Mono-anionic ligand are also 0 because water is neutral and NO is a cationic ligand. Question next, 10. Question 10. Coordination number. Coordination number is also 6 because EDTA is hexadentate ligand. EDTA is hexadentate ligand and hence coordination number of calcium is 6. Calcium is 6. Oxidation state of calcium. Oxidation state of calcium, sodium +1, calcium taken X, and the EDTA carry -4 charge, -4, therefore 0. Therefore, the oxidation state of calcium is +2. And hence, oxidation state of central atom or calcium in this complex is +2. It is homoleptic complex because only one kind of ligand, namely EDTA, attached with calcium. Charge on coordination pair after removal of 2 sodium ion. After removal of 2 sodium ion, the complex carry -2 charge. Coordination pair carry -2 charge. Number of chelating ring. Important. Number of chelating ring. Number of chelating rings are 5 because number of chelating ring n-1. N is the denticity and it is EDTA is hexadentate ligand. Therefore, number of chelating ring 5. Mono-anionic ligand is 0. Mono-anionic ligand 0 because EDTA is hexadentate ligand in which charge is -4, not monoanionic. Question number next, 11. Important. ACAC, acetyl acetonato is a ligand in this complex and their structure is following. And it is a bidentate ligand. Acetyl acetonato. Acetyl acetonate. Anion is acetyl acetonate. It is generally represented by ACAC. The density of ligand is 2. Both oxygen are donor side. Therefore, it is a bidentate ligand. When 3 bidentate ligand attach with central atom, then coordination number is 6. Next, charge on metal atom. After removal of nitrate ion, charge oxidation state of metal atom. First, when oxidation state of vanadium, assume X. 3 acetyl acetonato carry -1 charge and 2 nitrate ion carry -1 and net charge is 0. Therefore, X -3 -2 equals to 0, X -5 equals to 0, and hence oxidation state of vanadium is +5. Oxidation state of vanadium is +5 because acetyl acetonato is mono-anionic ligand, bidentate, negative charge -1. And nitrate ion carry also -1 charge. Oxidation state +5 in this complex of vanadium. It is also homoleptic complex because all ligands are one type only, homoleptic ligand. Charge on coordination pair. Charge on coordination pair. After removal of nitrate ion carry -1 charge and 2 nitrate. Therefore, coordination pair carry +2 charge. +2 charge. How many chelating rings? 3 chelating rings are there because acetyl acetonato is a bidentate ligand, and 3 bidentate ligand. Therefore, 3 chelating rings are there, and each rings carry 6 atoms because when acetyl acetonato attach with central atom, then it make a 6 membered chelating ring. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One ring carries 6 atoms. By the addition of one ligand, it make one chelating ring. 2 ligands attached with central atom, then 2 chelating ring. 3 ligand attached with central atom, then 3 chelating ring. And each chelating ring carries 6 atoms. Therefore, number of chelating ring are 3. Mono-anionic ligand 3. Mono-anionic ligand, because acetyl acetonato is also a mono-anionic ligand. Acetyl acetonato structure this, and it carry -1 charge, and hence it is also mono-anionic ligand 3. Question next 12. What is the coordination number? Ethylene diamine is bidentate ligand. Oxidation is also bidentate ligand. 2 ethylene bidentate, 1 this. Therefore, coordination number of central atom cobalt is 6. Number of sigma bond particularly. Oxidation state of cobalt. X ethylene diamine is a neutral ligand. Oxalato 1 carry -2 charge, and 1 Cl carry -1 charge equals to 0. Therefore, X -3 equals to 0. Therefore, oxidation state of cobalt is +3. Cobalt is +3. Next, it is heteroleptic complex because more than one kind of ligand, particularly ethylene diamine and oxalato ion. Charge on coordination is pair. Charge on coordination is pair. After removal of chloride ion, coordination is pair carry +1 charge. Number of chelating ring. 1 ethylene diamine make 1 ring. 2 ethylene diamine make 2 ring. 1 oxalato ring make. Therefore, total chelating ring are 3. Mono-anionic ligand 0. Question number next 13. Question 13. Coordination number is of cobalt is also 6 because 3 bromide and 3 ammonia. Oxidation state of cobalt is +3 because ammonia is a neutral and bromide carry -1 charge. It is heteroleptic complex because more than one kind of ligand, namely ammonia and bromide are ligand, therefore heteroleptic. After removal of Br, after all bromine, bromide and ammonia all are present inside the coordination sphere. Therefore, coordination sphere carry 0 charge, neutral sphere, because because cobalt carry +3 and bromide is -3. Therefore, net charge on coordination sphere is 0 also. Number of chelating ring 0. Chelating ring 0 because all ligands are monodentate, no chelating ring. Mono-anionic ligand 3, namely bromide ion. Question next is scandium. What is the coordination number of scandium? 2 ammonia and 2 TN. TN is trimethylene diamine. Trimethylene diamine is in their abbreviated form denoted by TN. Trimethylene. We know that CH2 diradical is known as methylene. Therefore, this ligand is known as trimethylene diamine. Abbreviated term TN. It is a neutral ligand. Bidentate neutral ligand. Therefore, bidentate and monodentate 2, 4 and 2. Therefore, 6 is coordination number. Oxidation state of scandium is also +3 because ammonia and trimethylene diamine both are neutral. Therefore, oxidation state of scandium +3 due to chloride ion. It is also heteroleptic because more than one kind of ammonia or trimethylene diamine are ligands. Therefore, heteroleptic. Charge on coordination sphere after removal of chloride ion. Charge on coordination sphere is +3. Number of chelating ring 1 TN make one ring, therefore 2TN make two chelating ring. Each chelating ring carries 6 atoms because trimethylene diamine attached with metal atom, then one ring is formed, and this ring carries 6 atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 rings are there. 2 rings. Mono-anionic ligand 0. No, because both ligands, particularly amine and trimethylene diamine, both are neutral. In last complex, silver oxidation coordination number of silver is 2 because 2 ammonia attached with silver. Coordination number 2. Oxidation state of silver is +1 because ammonia is neutral and chloride carry -1. Therefore, X plus 2 into 0 plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, oxidation state of silver is 1. It is homoleptic complex because one kind of ligand, namely silver, namely ammonia. Charge on coordination sphere is +1. After removal of chloride ion, the coordination sphere carry +1 charge. Number of chelating ring, no chelating ring because ligands are monodentate. When bidentate or polydentate ligand attach with metal atom, then they make a chelating ring. Otherwise, monodentate ligand do not make chelating ring. Mono-anionic ligand is 0 because ligand is ammonia and it is a neutral ligand. And as these are the questions of terminology of coordination chemistry, particularly homoleptic, heteroleptic, coordination number, etc. Okay, bye.